Hello everyone. Now I've made several kinds of Indian breads and adding to the list is today's recipe. Now this recipe I had tried at home. It was more like an experimental recipe which was amazing. So I wanted to share it with all of you. This is stuffed onion parotta. So let's get started and check out the recipe. For the stuffed onion parotta, first I'm going to make the dough. For this, to a bowl, take 1 cup of atta or wheat flour, 1 cup of maida. To this, add half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of sugar. Give it a quick mix. Next, add a little oil, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Mix it well. Now gradually pour some water. I'm using water at room temperature. You can also use lukewarm water. Gradually pour the water and start mixing the dough. Pour water a little at a time and gradually mix in. Knead the dough well, at least for about 10 minutes. After kneading the dough, just drizzle a little oil. Rub it all over the dough. Close the bowl and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Next, to make the onion mixture for the parathas, take about 2 medium-sized onions thinly sliced to a bowl, 3 cloves of garlic finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt and mix everything together. So I'm just seasoning the onion mixture. Next, I'm going to shallow fry the onions. For this, take a pan, add a little oil, about 2 tablespoons. Transfer the onion mixture to the pan. Fry the onions till they've turned to a nice golden brown color. Once the onions have turned to a nice golden brown color, turn off the stove and keep the onions aside. The dough has been resting for about 15 minutes. Now I'm going to start making the stuffed onion parottas. Pinch off a little bit of the dough. Dust the rolling surface with some flour. Place the dough ball, roll it out, not too thin. Once you've rolled out the dough ball, place a tablespoon or 2 of the fried onions. Make sure you spread it out evenly. Start rolling it inward. Now roll it into a spiral. Just see the way I'm doing it. You can see it looks almost like a bun. Roll all the parottas in this manner and keep it aside. Now flatten these parottas gently. You don't want it too thin and don't put too much of pressure while rolling them out because the filling can come out. So gently press and roll it out. Now that you've made these parottas, heat a tawa. Once the tawa is hot, place the parotta. Make sure you cook on both sides till you get a nice golden brown color. Maintain the flame on medium-high throughout. Once the parotta turns to a nice golden brown color, add a little ghee on both sides and remove it from the tawa. super delicious hot onion stuffed parotas are ready to be served. So there you go. Here is this super delicious and flaky stuffed onion parota. Now it looks so amazing. It's so delicious. You can enjoy this with some pickle or curd by the side or with any side dish of your choice. So do try this and enjoy. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on 21 Quint.